Hello. 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 Ano na, naka-record na ba yan?
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello. So, ang ating title is, anong gusto nyo? English title o yung Japanese title?
Both na.
O, sige. O, kami sama no ichizu na bowai. Bowai. Yan. O, sige. Ito. Mr. Wolf is violently smothering me with Aman tayo niya. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang...
The tool that hired mo.
Oo.
Ako na hawak.
Di yan. Di, okay lang yan.
Ay, hawak. Ako na hawak.
Okay. So, wait lang, wait lang. Okay, ito yung fitsura. Kaya na,
Literal na wolf siya. Hindi siya mukha wolf man.
so, hindi siya yung with ears lang ente. So, it's actual wolf. So, it's my first time with a man or a human. But, like this, the only way we'll be able to calm down is to fuck each other. While relationships between humans and beastmen are still there, an Omega with a beastman fetish, Sakutaro spends his day taking his suppressants and daydreaming of beastmen. However, one day, Sakutaro suddenly goes into heat in the middle of the street. Then, he's saved by a beastman he's never seen before. With such an excellent man in front of him, he can't stop himself from obscenely connecting their scorching bodies together. So,
Okay.
basically, ang first day, ang first, ano dito na, um, sabi niya, ano siya health teacher sa school. So, and, ano siya, sa isip-isip niya, malapit na yung, ano niya, yung hit niya. So, he has already filed for leave. Di nagsulat na siya ng, ng schedule na out of office siya, ganyan. Tapos, pumunta na siya ng pharmacy, bibili siya ng suppressants niya. And then, on the way to flower shop, he stopped by a flower shop. Pagdating niya doon, bigla siyang nanghinga. And then, yung heartbeat niya, like, tug-tug-tug-tug-tug na. So, sabi niya, hindi pa, dapat next week pa. Tapos, maya-maya, may dumating na businessman, sabi, he's with me, I'll take care of him. Tapos, nagpunta sila sa hotel. Habang binibitbit siya sa hotel, sabi ng beastman, um, I can't believe I finally found you.
Mated sila.
Oh, fated pala sila. So, sabi, sabi, di, of course, may nangyari sa kanila, ganyan. Tapos, nagising siya, nasa hospital siya. So, akala niya panaginip lang lahat.
Okay.
Akala niya may nagdala lang sa kanya sa ospital kasi nga dahil inatake siya sa inatake siya sa kalsada. So, kinabukasan, pumasok siya. So, pagpasok niya, meron silang meeting sa sister school. Sister school nila. Tapos nalaman niya, yung kakausapin nila is yung anak ng director sa sister school. And when he saw the beast man, kasi ang sister school nila, beast school for beast. So, wolves, cats, dogs, whatever. So, yun. So, it turned out na yung beastman na yun ay si anak ng
Pangalan, no?
Oo. Hindi, wala pa binabanggit na pangalan kasi.
At that time. Okay.
Di ba nga, hindi pinangalanan. No?
Basta beastman lang.
So, nung una, nung sinabihan siya, kasi, nung pagdating niya doon sa school, nasa second floor or something na sila, ano ulit yung katawan niya, parang sumama ulit yung pakiramdam, heartbeat niya, ganun ulit, kasi nandun pala siya. Tapos, nung nakita niya, sabi, hindi pala panaginip. Hindi pala panaginip yung nangyari.
Oh, it did. Really.
Oo, tapos, si Sakutaro Yamada, ang kanyang apelido. Tapos, ayun nga, sa akala niya, so it was not a dream. So, sabi niya, it seems like you tripped, tinulungan siyang tumayo, tapos, sabi nito ni Wolfman, ni Beastman, you seem unwell, so, do you need me to fuck you again? Di sinampal niya. So, ayan o, hindi yun yung Tokyo sinampal niya, ganyan. So, Yamato sa, ano pangalan niya? Hindi binanggit, apelido lang eh.
Ano ka niya?
Okay, si Yamato. So, nalaman niya na, bakit mo sabi nung, sabi para nung principal nila, ba't mo sinampal, anak yan ng direktor, hindi mo ba alam kung sino sinasampal mo, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos nung meeting, after nung meeting, nilapitan mo siya ni Tuki,
Yamato.
Oo, ni Yamato. Sabi sa kanya ni Yamato na, if you think that it was just because of your heat, why don't we test it again? So, pumayag naman siya.
Okay.
So, yung umpisa nila kasi parang dabcon eh. Dubious consent kasi talaga siya kasi nga, in heat lang, hindi naman hindi control. Ni Hisako Taro, hindi niya control. Kasi nga, wala na siya sa wisyo. So, passion lang ako sa alak.
So yun pala, yun yung na-miss ko yung tanong before sa mga Omega Boys. So pag fated pair, kahit pala nagsusupresan ka,
Oo.
okay.
Yes. Okay. Hindi pa nga yung, alam mo yung issue nung, na sila, pair na siya, kaya lang, si Omega, yung si lalaki, si Alpha, pair na siya sa isa.
Fated pair niya.
O, di ba?
Yun nga sasabi ko, ibig sabihin, kapag suppresan ka pala, kahit ako suppresan ka, pero pag fated pair mo,
Walang effect.
Walang effect. Yun na yung sinasabi ko.
Walang effect. So, may nangyari nga sa kanila. Kasi sabi niya, I've never been with any human, let alone a man. So, he was thinking he would end up with another beast na. So, he never thought na ang fated pair niya, lalaki,
Normal.
and a human. Oo. Omega, hindi normal. Omega.
Tao ba? Ibig sabihin, normal na tao.
Omega, male, human. So, sabi niya, parang ang usapan nila, since you don't want to be, parang ayaw mong magmadali, ganyan. Edi, why don't we...
Let's take it slow.
Ha?
Let's take it slow, anywhere you wanna go.
Oh, parang gano'n. So, let's put a deadline on it, a month. We'll date for a month and see how it goes.
Okay.
So, after that, they did go sa dates.
Okay.
Every after shift. Kasi nila?
Every after school, bale?
Every after shift. Punta sila sa medyo malayo-layong area na away from the school. May lipstick ka. So, nagano sila nagpunta sila nag-note sila ng movies, kain sila, walking, ganyan-ganyan, coffee.
Dates talaga.
Dates talaga.
Stroll.
Oo, yeah. Tapos,
makes a difference talaga, no? Wala ko lang lagi mo sa minus meron. Anyway, going back.
So, tawag ito, parang feeling niya na, naku-fall na siya. Ganyan.
Marupok.
Hindi naman marupok.
Matagal na ba yun?
Mag-isang buwan na eh.
So, marupok nga. Wala bang hair mo yan?
Oo, malamang. Hindi mo na-steerer?
Hindi.
Yung keratin.
You're just returning back to everything you lost.
So, things are going quite well. Yan. Tapos, yung pala nila, the two schools will have a festival together. Kaya sila nakapag-meeting sa sister school.
True. Okay.
So they're having meetings back and forth. So every time na nandun sa school nila yung business teachers, si Yamato, lagi siya napupunta sa health office.
Kasi nandun siya.
So, lagi sila kumain lunch together, ganyan-ganyan. One time, hindi daw sila makapag-dinner kasi parang may outing together with the teachers dun sa sister school. So, he'll have to skip. But sabi niya, like the following day, let's just have dinner sa bahay. Magluluto daw siya.
Sino?
Si Yamato. So, kinabukasan, binigay ni Yamato yung susi ng bahay niya kay Sakutaro. Ngayon, kaba-kaba siya ganyan, baka may nakakita, something. So, every time na bumibisita, or every time na maaamoy niya ni Yamato si Sakutaro, alam mo yung asong excited? Yung buntot. Gumagalaw yung buntot. So, every time na aalis siya ng health office, yung buntot niya. Ang cute-cute tingnan. Napapansin din ng mga estudyante na yung mga human students na ganun yan, na every time na gumagalaw. Nag-walk down natin, sabi ka lang. Hindi, nagpunta na siya sa bahay. Ngayon, chill sabi niya siya magluluto siya ng dinner, ganyan. Tapos, nag-look around siyang ganyan. Tapos, eto na yung very, very light angst.
Very, very light angst.
Oo, naisip niya na, tama ba na maging sila? Kasi he's a beast man.
Tapos mayamang beast man pa, no?
Oo, tapos, he's never been with humans, ganyan. Eto siya, simula pagkabata, may fetish na sa beast man. So, parang every time na mag-hit siya, ang pinanonood niya,
beast porn.
Oo, beast man porn with humans, of course. So, he would imagine himself to be with the beast man, smothered by the beast man. Yun yung title. Oo. Tapos, sabi niya, parang baka it will not be good for Yamato kasi nga, ganun, blah, blah, blah. So, status pa din. But it's very rare kasi even though accepted na, it's still rare. So, dumating na yung diabetes niya. So, dumating na si Yamato. Nanonood na sila ng movie ganyan. Tapos, maya-maya, siyempre, nag-kiss na sila, ganyan. May mangyari sa kanila ulit. Tinulak niya.
Nag-hesitate siya.
It's
because of...
He said. Pero hindi siya nagsabi kung bakit. I need to go home. He went home.
Kaloka.
Tapos, hindi siya mini-message ni Yamato. Parang binibigyan siya ng space. So, a few days yata na lumipas. Tapos, may isang bisman na estudyante na pumunta sa health office.
Okay.
Sabi niya.
Pwede ba sa sister school lang may beast?
Oo, sister school. At the moment niya, ongoing yung itong part na to, ongoing na yung events.
Okay.
Wait.
Ano to? ASMR.
Natatawa ako, te?
Na.
Parang pala yung gawa nito.
Maanik yung mga ganun. Hindi ko nagigets.
Anyways,
going back.
Ang laki ng kita sa ganyan,
YouTube. Anyway, baka naman try yun.
Anyways, ganito kasi. Sorry, hindi kami pang ASMR.
May mga ganito pa kaya. Oo, parang tanga, di ba?
Anyways, yun yung niche nila eh.
So, going back.
So, going back,
gawin ko kaya sa pag nag-open ako mga Japanese products.
Okay. So, yung story yan.
So, dumating estudyante.
Beastman. Actually, may nag-consult na sa kanya before na, hindi, female, na sabi na, she's been seeing a beastman, ganyan.
Female.
So, sabi niya, I'm not going to stop you, and then ganyan, but you need to focus on your studies, and blah, blah, blah. Ganyan. And you always use protection, blah, 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 ganyan. Tapos, itong si Beastman, nagsabi siya na, I need to talk to you about something, ganyan.
Sa jowa ng babae?
Hindi. Sabi niya na, it seems like I am interested with a human, parang gano'n, sabi niya gano'n.
Okay.
Tapos, it ends up, siya pala yung interest ng
bata, estudyante.
So,
anong klaseng beastman to?
Wolf din.
Wolf.
Pero, inatake niya si teacher.
Okay.
O, inatake niya si Sakutaro. Sabi niya, it's no use trying to fight back because you're a human and you are an omega, so you're much weaker, and then your scent is extremely potent, extremely strong, especially for beastmen kasi nga ang sense of smell nila heightened.
Yes.
So sabi niya, I've been smelling you, blah blah blah, ganyan. And it seems like you are trying to attract someone kasi dahil nga sabihin kay Yamato ko. Buti na lang. To the rest is Yamato.
Paano nila nalaman? Super powers, bigla na nalaman.
Yata inaamoy yung sensory.
May changes.
Ganun. Sila, ginanon niya, what are you doing? Blah, 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 blah. Tapos yung, okay na.
Labi-dabi na ulit sila. O angst pa rin.
Hindi, labi-labi na sila. Parang nasabi na siya na,
non-existent communication na naman yung issues niya.
ang sabi na ni Yamato, actually, I've been wanting to talk to you about our parang status or something ganyan. Na I want to end yung 1 month nila.
Yung contract of sorts.
1 month duration nila and just become a real couple.
Nag-agree siya, syempre.
They agree.
Artist siya, hindi.
They agreed. And then, parang hindi yata yung ending ng book ko eh.
Yun na yarn? May book to?
Wala masyadong
wala masyadong ganap.
Wala masyadong angst. And I like that about it.
Next?
Chapter 7.
Okay.
So, trigger warning yung chapter 6 na yun pa.
Ayun ba yun yung chapter 6 yung Mutigas pa rin?
Oo. Ayan, naging partners na sila sa last ito. Naging partners na sila.
Sila na talaga.
Oo, naging partners na sila and they've told each of their parents na. So,
okay lang sa parents ni director na yayamanin.
Oo, ano nga parang super interested sa kanya. Oh, a human, he's so cute, he's so tiny, ganon. Kasi nga naman, compared sa kanila.
Oo, he's so tiny naman.
So, before,
George.
Ay, paano?
Ito na nga, inaarap ko.
Ayan na.
Oh, like that. He's so big.
He is extremely big. Pero napaka-caring niya kay Tao.
Hindi pa siya sira, so yes.
Huh?
Hindi pa siya sira. Sa laki nun eh. So yes, he's caring.
So, ang dami ko,
nag-message siya yun.
Kailan? Kinonfirm ko lang yung
Okay.
Correct details po para sure na. Yan. Na para hindi mataasan kasi sa 5-5 lang eh. 5-5, 2-2-2-2. Correct details po. Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, going back.
Nung una, they've lived separately pa. Kasi nga, whatever. And then, they're trying, sabi nito sa Kutaro, yung first few months nila like officially together, Sakutaro's been trying to spend his heats alone.
Bakit?
Maisipan na niluro. Tapos, the past few months, sa kanya nagsistay si nung first time na nagstay sa kanya during the heat si Sakutaro, sabi niya, hindi makagawa ng nest kasi daw, yung mga damit niya, it's too expensive. Para daw baka daw hindi masira niya, malumihan niya, so he couldn't create a nest.
Bakit para sa nest?
Okay. So, sa Omegaverse, may nesting na tinatawag. So, ang nesting nila, parang they create a nest to show that, with the clothes of the alpha. Like, to surround themselves with the smell of the alpha. Especially the alpha.
Okay, get.
So, parang, they show it off. Kasi parang, look at my handiwork. It's, alam mo yung parang pag females or birds na they're trying to express the partner. Parang gano'n siya.
With clothes talaga?
With clothes. Okay. Anything that has the smell of the alpha. So, as much as...
So, parang gumagawa siya ng fort?
Usually, patong-patong na damit din. Una, umuwi siya. Ganyan.
Okay.
Talagang baon talaga siya.
Sa loob.
Nung first few months, ayan. nandun lang siya sa closet. All their clothes look so expensive. So, hindi siya makagawa ng nest. Sobrang disappointed siya. Sobrang sad siya na hindi siya makagawa ng nest. Yeah, so, they accepted na sila ng family, ganyan. So, they would spend holidays with each family, ganyan. Alam ko, nagpakasal na sila eh. So, next book,
Dami ng book yan?
dalawa lang.
Dalawa.
Pakasal na sila. And, parang, they try to get pregnant.
Okay.
So, sabi ito?
So, paano yung magiging anak nila? Beast o half?
Depende.
Kung anong genetics yung makukuha ng bata. Okay. Okay.
So, wala naman masyadong drama sa book at all. Pero, syempre, nung nag-try sila magbuntis, ang isa na nakakatuwa sa manga na to, they actually showed the pregnancy.
Talaga?
Kasi, sa ibang manga,
basta buntis ang anak, gano'n.
Basta pinakita lang na, sinabi lang na, magbubuntis, and then, poof,
anak na.
Ano talaga pinakita yung progress na, yung
nabuntis siya,
yung kanyang morning sickness, yung stages talaga.
Pregnancy.
Tapos nung nanganak siya, andun yung worries niya na they are not seen as a family. Kasi nga, very rare ang partnership ng beastman and human. So, every time na lalabas sila, since ang anak nila is beastman,
parehas?
Parehas.
Kaparehas yung talaga?
Yung tatay. Ang anak nila ay beastman. So, people do not see them as a family and they would think na siya ay yaya.
Okay.
So, parang interracial relationship talaga na. Especially kapag medyo weaker yung isa.
Yes.
So, ganun. Like, Filipina na may kasamang puti na anak. Yung ganun. So, ang titik niya, Very excited talaga nila.
So parang siya eh.
Wolf pa rin siya he does get excited, blah, blah. Yeah, so, they tried to conceive during their heats. Parang pinagano nila.
Pinagsabay nila.
Scheduled nila together. They would take a leave of absence for both schools, ganyan. So, syempre, nung buntis siya, naka-leave of absence siya sa school kasi medyo delikado ang pagbubuntis ng omega male. Kasi malita ka nilang, hindi, malita ka nilang womb.
Kasi lalaki.
So very delicate male omega pregnancy. Kung female omegas, it's okay. It's normal. Ganun. So, di ba nga, nung nanganak sila, parang ang feeling niya na, medyo bothered siya na the people around them don't see them as a family, ganyan. So, may nag-advise sa kanya na, why don't you talk to someone with the similar experience as you?
Okay.
During ng parent lectures, yung, alam mo yun sa Diyos mo? Hindi.
Yung parenting class.
Parenting class before, nung pregnant pala. So, may nakilala sila na partner din na gano'n.
Okay.
Na beastman human din, omega human, na male din. So, he spoke to them, ganyan. Baka, parang, sinabi niya yung worries niya, na ganyan. So, ang sabi naman itong, na they don't worry about it kasi they're very focused on their family. Tapos, ang sabi pa nung,
they don't care.
you just need to focus on your partner, ganun, something. Ano ba? Ito yung nakilala nila. Ay, hindi. Yan pala yung yung isang teacher dun na school na pinapasokan niya before. So, sinasabi lang na si Yamato is always bragging na natutunan niya sa parenting school, ganito daw yung pagkakaroon ng baby, ganito daw yung kasi proud siya. So, super proud siya rin yan. Kaya nung nanganak siya, sobra iyak niya. Sobra iyak niya.
Paano siya anak si Sayang? Hindi pinakita.
Hindi din sinabi.
Na rin kung paano sila nanganganak.
Hindi, sa other
Megaverse.
Omegaverse.
Sorry.
Sayang. So, ito hindi sinabi, pero it seems like,
Most likely.
hindi, it seems like natural.
Paano? Saan lalabas yun?
Pet.
Oh, that's hard.
That hurts. Sure. Kasi, ang movie nila nasa doon na daan eh. So, ayun yung baby nila. It's cute. Cute. Male yung nila. Male beast na aoy. Yan. So, yun. They were supposed to stay sa parents' house ni Yamato.
Kasi mas malaki.
Hindi, for a month. Para tulungan pa sa newborn. Ganyan. They stayed for 3 months. So, okay na yun. Walang drama. Labi-labi lang yung chuchu. Tapos yun lang ang pinaka-drama niya actually. Yung concern niya as a parent. Na,
lagi nasa utak niya yung problema eh.
Hindi pa, ano ba? No, sa kanya kasi parang,
kaya nga.
Hindi, he tried.
Mentally sa kanya yung problema. I mean, yung mga naiisip niya.
Oo.
Intrusive thoughts.
Sa kanya kasi, siyempre yung treatment sa kanya, iba eh, di ba? Pag magkasama sila
valid
sa
naman,
family.
Pero point.
Magkasama sila sa family, pero people don't treat them as a family. So, yun yung ano niya.
Pero tama naman yung sa'yo, who cares?
Sabi ng isa na parang, they should just focus on blah, 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 ganyan. You should talk to your husband, gano'n. Tapos, sabi naman nung after nila magtsikahan, sabi ni Yamato sa kanya, so, are you able to, like, clear your head, ganyan, sabi, parang, pagkakasabi niya, alam mo palang may concern ako, ganyan. Sabi niya, of course, I'm your husband, we've been together for quite a while, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, hindi pinakita, pero may second child. Nagkaroon ng second child. Regular human.
Okay. So, isa sila.
Female. Tapos, nung unang, mga 3 years old or 4 years old yung bata, 3 years old yung bata, nakakita siya ng ears na headband.
Okay. So, nagsusot siya nun.
Pero yung parang pinakita, yung flashback lang na, nung first time nakakita ng ears yung bata, ang akala nito ni Sakuna, parang magsi-self-pity yung bata na why don't I have one? Why do they have it? Why am I different? Pero, ang thinking ng bata, it's great na makapili siya ng ears.
Iba gusto niya. True.
And he could look like the brother.
Or,
gusto niya.
exactly.
And she can take it off if he wants to look like the mom.
May point.
So, yun yung bata.
Positive yung bata.
Magandang output yung bata. So, that's the parang gist of it. Yung parang,
okay na actually. Pero wala namang issue yung magkapatid.
Wala. Very close sila. Very close.
That's cool.
So, maganda yung upbringing. So, yun lang. So, the reason I liked it is just fluffy. Medyo very, very, very light lang yung drama na
ayun na nga, it's all in his head.
It's all in his head. O siyempre,
valid naman yung
reasons niya. Valid naman yung reasons niya. Especially
naman talaga
nung second part na.
Sa mga anak niya. Valid naman.
Kasi kung isipin mo, like, it's similar to interracial relationship na, siyempre, nakikita yung nanay as yaya, gano'n. Lalo na kapag hindi ko block yung nanay, gano'n. Yung gano'n. So, yun.
For our
BL activity.
Kakaloka talaga.